When a student thinks of doing a MBA, what does he usually think of? Quality academics and great placement. Hi, I am Parag Bhoir. Currently, I am pursuing PGDM course from Vivekananda Business School, Mumbai. I think joining VBS for my masters was one of the best decisions that I ever made. I remember my first day at VBS when I entered the college, and during induction, I already knew that my journey with VBS is gonna be promising. My guess was right. It's not a wonder that the quality of education that VBS imparts is excellent. It is mainly because of the distinguished faculty that VBS has. The faculty who teach here are alumnus of Ivy League institutions such as the IITs, IIMs and JBIMS, and have a rich teaching experience for more than 15 years in top institutions. They have also taught in B schools abroad, and therefore they teach according to the global standards. VBS therefore has a very high quality standard as far as academics are concerned. Moreover, they also has a huge campus with well-equipped classrooms and other facilities, and a digital library with many resource books and journals on management topic. So, if you are looking for an excellent B school in Mumbai, look no further now, because VBS is a place to be.